Supershine Robot, one of the top and leading wireless mower manufacturers in China, focuses on the research and development of remote control and autopilot intelligent machinery. They are widely used in orchard, steep incline, front yard, garden, wasteland, highway plant slope protection and so on. The brush cutter cordless adopts CE and EPA approved gasoline engine, adjustable blade height by remote control, 200 meters long distance remote control, travel speed 0.6 kilometers per hour. We are looking for distributors and dealers all over the world.